chefs. Today's episode, we have Popeyes new spicy chicken nuggets, or my version, done at home, with 3 levels of seasoning. To make the nuggets, you need 1 pound of chicken breast sliced and diced. Season chicken with 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of gochujang, and 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. For the flour mix, 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of celery salt, 1 teaspoon of Korean red pepper flakes, a half a teaspoon of thyme, 2 teaspoons of mustard powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. For the liquid batter, in a large bowl, add 1.5 cup of buttermilk, 1 large egg white, 2 tablespoons of vodka, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Thai chili powder, a half a teaspoon of celery salt, a quarter teaspoon of thyme. Popeyes chicken is known for its thick, crispy crust. To get this, you have to do the double dip dredge. For the double dip dredge, you dip the chicken in the flour first, then the batter, and back in the flour. Make sure you let the extra batter drip off and shake off any extra flour. In a 12-inch cast iron pan or Dutch oven, bring 2.5 cups of vegetable oil to 375 degrees. With a digital thermometer, make sure the temperature is 375. You want to cook the nuggets at 325 to 350 temperature. When you add the chicken, the temperature will drop to that range. When adding your chicken, make sure you don't crowd your pot or pan. Once you add your chicken, make sure you cover the chicken with a lid. This helps the chicken become nice and crispy. Cook the chicken for 3 minutes. Anything more, you're gonna burn the nugget. Best way to remove the chicken and drain the oil is to use a slotted spoon or a spider strainer. Rest the chicken on a rack to help stay crispy. Repeat with the next batch. While you cook your chicken nuggets, you can make your sauce. You'll need a 1/4 cup of chicken stock, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1½ tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of sweet chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Give it a nice mix. After you mix the sauce, place in a saucepan and simmer for 3 minutes.